In this video, I'll teach you how to open a PayPal account, especially if you're from the countries where PayPal is not supported, like my country, Nigeria, where PayPal is completely not supported. In Nigeria, when you create a PayPal account, you are only allowed to use that PayPal account to make purchases online or send money online, but you're not allowed to receive payment or receive funds through your PayPal account. All right, I understand that this is a struggle for my people in Nigeria, and that is why I have taken my time to make this video for you. Now, you have to pay attention to the basics I want to share with you in this video before you go ahead to create your PayPal account. Otherwise, you will have your PayPal account suspended or blocked, and you will lose all your money in your PayPal account. Now, PayPal is a financial tool. You can use PayPal to transact online instead of using your credit cards and all. Now, you understand that if you are into affiliate marketing or you make money online, you work online most times, you understand that most companies or most marketplaces, they require you to have a PayPal account before you can complete your sign up or before you can, work with them to receive your payment. So that is why I am making this video. So if you want to have a working PayPal account, you want your PayPal account to work for you 100% wherever you are, ensure you stick around and watch this video to the very end. If you're new to this channel, welcome to the channel. My name is Chinenwa Violet. On this channel, I share information on different ways of making money online. So for more content, join the family by subscribing to this channel. Turn on that notification bell beside this so you get notified when a new video is up on this channel. And to my returning subscribers, you all are welcome back. Now, without further ado, I'm going to be taking you to my laptop screen to teach you the step-by-step process on how you can create a working PayPal account wherever you are right now, especially if you're in Nigeria where PayPal is completely not supported. Now let's go to my screen. So guys, if you're in Nigeria, you agree with me that this is how the PayPal account in Nigeria looks like. Okay, this is PayPal account in Nigeria. This is PayPal. This is PayPal account in Nigeria. You can see here, it says paypal.com/ng. NG here means Nigeria. Okay, so you can see it only allows personal. A personal account only allows to send. You can only send money. You can see here, send payments. You cannot receive. All right. So what you need to do is to change this URL. Okay, change it to AE. Now we have changed the URL. Okay, we've changed that NG to AE. Okay, I'm going to be leaving this link in the description, this website. I'll be leaving it in the description so you can easily have access to it. Now in this AE website, you have the personal and the business account. Okay, now to get started, what you need to do, click on the business account. Okay, we click on business account. Now we click on get started. Okay, we want to sign up. So now they're asking us to choose. They're asking us to choose personal or business. We want to create business account, right? So what we need to do is to click on business account. You can see business account, accept payments and send invoices to your customers. It's easier and more secure to sell to anyone, anywhere and anytime. Okay, and anytime. So what you need to do is to click on continue. Is loading. All right. So now we are going to enter our address. Okay. Then we'll click on continue. And now we have to create a password. Okay, and we'll click on, and now we click on continue. And then they will say they're asking you to tell us, they said tell us about your business. All right. So you have to put in your business contact, your legal first name. So I'm going to put in, and then legal last name. And now they're asking business details. What is your business name? So you can put in your full name. Okay, you can put in you can put in your full name. Okay. So they're asking, this is the name you want your customers to see? Yes. Now, when you come to the phone number, you see over here, it's showing the AE, like the Dubai code, phone number code. All right. So now you can change this to the country where you reside. Okay. Change this to Nigeria. So I'm going to look for Nigeria and change it to Nigeria. So your phone number does not, there's no problem if you put in your Nigerian phone number. There is no issue with that. So I'm going to select Nigeria. Then I'm putting Nigerian phone number. Now they're asking for business address. For business address, you need to put a real address. On this part, you don't need to put in your Nigeria address. Please do not put in your Nigerian address, okay? Because there is no use you can't be in Dubai and then be using Nigerian address. It doesn't make sense, okay? It does not make sense. So what you need to do is to go to Google, like beauty spa Dubai. Let's use this. Beauty Spa Dubai. Let's see if we can get the PO box and all that. This one, Beauty Spa Dubai address. Okay. This one has, let's see if we are going to get their PO box. Okay, now they have an address, second floor, blah, blah, this, Dubai. Now they have, now we're going to put in this address here. The PO box, city, so we're going to copy this. Okay, a city, we'll say, we'll put in the city. City, we can put in Dubai. We can put in Dubai. Okay, for city. And then additional information, we can just put in the name. Put the name. Beauty Connection Spa. Okay, and then Emirates, you're going to select Dubai, the Emirates, and then PO box. Now they need the post office box or box. Their PO box is 6510. So we're going to put 6510. All right. So we have the real address. Okay. So now what we need to do is, now we have to accept, okay, to the terms and conditions. Click on this box here and then click on agree and continue. Now they're asking to describe your business type. Okay, so this is individual, so we have to select individual. For the product or service key, what you need to do is to click on any, type in any alphabet. Type in any alphabet and options will come up and then you can select. I'm just going to select health and beauty spa. Okay. Okay, I'll select that. And then website is optional. So if you have your website, you can put it. If you don't have, just leave it. Okay, and click on continue. Tell us about you. Put in your date of birth. Please put in a real date of birth. Your nationality. Okay, you have to select your nationality and then your identity documents. Okay, so on this particular aspect, you can choose to put in your national ID, your passport or driver's license. If you have a passport, international passport, I'll advise you to use international passports. Okay, but if you don't, you can use the other options, which is national ID or your driver's license. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead to fill up this space. So I'm going to put in the day, and then the month, and then the year. Okay, and then my nationality, I'm going to select I'm Nigerian. Okay, I'll select Nigerian. Now I have to put in my national ID card. okay, my national identity, which is NIN. So I have put in everything. So what I need to do is now is to click on submit. Now your PayPal account is ready. Just ignore this message. Now your PayPal account is ready. So what you need to do now is come down. You see the notification here. Now you'll be asked to confirm your email address. Okay, so what you need to do, I'm not going to do this right now, but I'll do this later. What you need to do right now is to go to your email. Okay, go to your email address and click on the link they sent to you to confirm your email address. Okay, once you click that link, you've confirmed your email address. And then the next thing is to link and confirm your bank or credit card. If you don't understand this very well, you will make a mistake here and you get your account suspended. Okay, PayPal will think that you are in Nigeria. All right, so now you are in Nigeria, but you want to have a working PayPal account. You have to pay attention closely to what I'm going to tell you right now. Please do not link in your Nigerian credit card to your PayPal account. Do not link your Nigerian debit card or your credit card to PayPal account. Your account will be suspended or will be blocked. Okay, now this is what you need to do. You need to pay close attention to go to UBA. Okay, go to UBA. When you're going to UBA, make sure you have your ID card. Okay, make sure you have a proof of your residence. Okay, proof of address where you live. Make sure you have $10. Okay, make sure you have $10. You have these three things, and then you go to UBA and then tell them you need dollar prepaid card. Now UBA will issue you dollar prepaid card. Now you might be wondering why am I going with $10? Now you're going with $10 because the $10 will be credited into your dollar prepaid card, and PayPal will deduct money from your card. Okay, once you link your card. All right, so now once you have received your dollar prepaid card from UBA, you have to use, it just looks like normal ATM card. Okay, the card looks like normal ATM card. No, now what you have to do is to go to the ATM, okay, UBA ATM, and then activate that card. Come over to your PayPal account, click on see details. Okay, now you'll be asked to link a payment method, link a credit card, link a bank account. Please, I will repeat again, do not link bank accounts. Your Nigerian bank account, do not link it here. Do not link your Nigerian bank account, because there is no way you'll be in Dubai and be operating with Nigerian bank account. It's not possible. It does not make sense. And do not link your Nigerian credit card with PayPal. Okay, so now you already have your UBA dollar prepaid card. Now what you need to do is to come over to link a credit card. Okay, click on that, and then you can now put in the debit card number or the credit card number. Okay, put in that number, the digits that you see in front of that card. Just the card looks like ATM. Okay, put in the number you see on that card. Okay, put it here, and then you select the card type. Okay, it could be Visa, it could be MasterCard. Okay, select the card type. If it's Visa, you select Visa card. Okay, and now put in the expiring date, just like the ATM. Put in the expiring date and put in the security code, the 3 digits number behind the card. You put it here. All right, so then this is the address I selected. Now, once you're done with this, once you're done putting in the card details, you click on link card. Okay, I'm not going to show you guys all the process here, but I'm just going to tell you guys what you need to do. Okay, so you click on link card. Okay, once you click on link card, okay, you will see a message that is saying your PayPal has been linked to your credit card. Okay, which is that UBA dollar prepaid card. All right, so now the next thing is once you see that message, you click on confirm. You have to click on confirm. Once it's confirmed, another message will come up. The message that will come up will tell you that PayPal will have to deduct $1.95 from your card. Okay, and the process will take like 2 to 3 business days. All right, and they will have to refund you once they debit your card. They will still refund you back, but normally they don't. But it's fine. It's just $1, right? Okay, so once that is done, you will see a button that says you should get a code. Now you have to click on get a code. Now once you click on get a code, PayPal will send you a code, a 4-digit code to your phone number, and this code will be sent to you within 2 to 3 business days. All right, so you have to be patient. They'll send you this code to your phone number, the 4-digit code. All right, I'm sure when you see a code, you will know. All right, so it will be sent to your phone to the phone you registered with by PayPal. So what you need to do once you receive that code, log in, come over to your PayPal account, okay, and then put in that code. Once you put in that code, you click on confirm. So once you confirm the code, your account has been created. Okay, your PayPal account has been created and verified. You now have a working PayPal account that will send and receive money all over the world. Make sure you follow this method I share in this video if you want to have a 100% working PayPal account. So guys, if you have watched this stage and you've not given this video a thumbs up, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Okay, it helps the channel a whole lot. Subscribe to the channel for more content if you are yet to subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so you get notified when a new video is up on this channel. And guys, let me know in the comment section if you have taken action to creating your own PayPal account. Let me know your results in the comment section. All right, if you actually use this method that I mentioned in this video to create your own PayPal account, let me know in the comment section. Also, share this video to whoever you think is struggling to create his or her own PayPal account in Nigeria. Share this video to that person. Okay, share it to as many people as you can. So I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much guys for watching my videos. I appreciate you all. Take care. Bye.